Hi guys, this is Vibhavri Rath Asudani and welcome to the Vibhavri Rath Asudani show. We will only talk about films, production, distribution, marketing and strategies. Filmmaking is a fantastic process. Filmmaking is everything for a new age filmmaker. Whether you are a one time filmmaker or a first time filmmaker or you want to pursue filmmaking as a full term career, it is extremely important that you should own your thing. Owning something is very different from doing something. Try to understand one thing. You know what? I'll tell you how it works. See, as a director, as a complete showrunner of the film, you need to understand certain integrity of everything, right? There is a writing group, there is a creative group, there is a storyboard group, there is a look enhancement group, there is a complete production setup, production manager, production coordinator, everything is there. Every vertical is set in its own way, right? But as a director, you don't need to do anything just by doing everything. You just don't need to do anything. You should be very clear that okay, this vertical is doing this for me, this vertical is doing this thing for me, and this vertical is doing this thing for me, right? Owning is a beautiful thing, doing is also a beautiful thing, but when you are a director of a project, of a film, of a web series, of anything, you should not do everything on your own. You should not do everything. You should not be actively participating in everything. Monitoring is a very big art for a director, because if as a creator, as a creative director, as a creation person, and if you want to get your hand into everything, then it will be a spoiled rat at the end of the day. Trust me, because your energy is precious. Director's energy is very precious. He is a creator. He has creative juices flowing all the time. He knows how to take a shot. He can just see the bigger vision. He can see the things, whatever is happening on the set. He has all the things in his mind. And his mind, his soul, his entire effort should go into that perfect shot making process, not into everything. You sit in your director's chair, put on your director hat, and sit calmly and direct your shot. Before directing a shot, you should look behind and say that everything is fine. Everything is fine. Don't get into everything. Don't get into everything at all as a director, because you are the owner of the project. You should own it by heart, by soul, and by all your being. I hope you understand that. Ownership has different meaning for different kind of creative professionals. As a director, your ownership is different. As a producer, your ownership is different. As a senior writer of the group, your ownership is different. Don't intermingle everything into one plate and just make a biryani out of it. Don't do that. Film is a precious thing. So just enjoy it by clarifying, by simplifying the process. Own it, Mr. Director or Miss Director. Thank you.